videos. So guys, in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply a student visa to Mexico. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a visa or a student visa, whatever you say, to a country, you need to check requirements on few things. First of all, your passport, if you really need a visa for the purpose you are going to. Second, the location from where you are applying, because you should always apply through the relevant embassy, consulate, or whichever mission, or even online, based on the location you are. Because based on your location, there could be different steps about payment, additional document, verification, appointment, anything could be. So for example, let's say you are living in New Delhi, India. So you are an Indian citizen. So in front of you, I have opened Embassy of Mexico in India, and under consular section, if you go down, so they have procedure for apply for a Mexican visa. So here they have given the purpose, various things. So one, I have students for less than 180 degrees, but let's say you are going for higher studies, so student for more than 6 months. So here, citizens of India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Maldives, they must obtain temporary resident visa for students. So what you need: original valid passport and clear photography first class, perfect. Proof of legal stay in India in case like you are not Indian. Application form duly filled. Okay, we can down. I will download here. I'll open it for you. Then guide to fill out the application. It's there. We'll see that. Passport size photograph, original letter of acceptance by university institution, of course. People who are you are under 25 years of old, their parents. Okay, so they have kept 25 years. Wow. Original and one copy of student's birth certificate duly apostilled, legalized. Okay. People who are about 25 years of old must demonstrate they have enough resources to cover their expenses. Okay, bank statement, payslip last month. Okay, fine. See, please include a copy of the passport or PAN card of the signatory. You know why this PAN card came into the picture? Because of the location. Okay. Personal presence of applicant is mandatory for biometric process interview, of course. May request further documents. Visa processing takes 2 working days if everything goes fine. Having a maximum visa travel. Okay, fine. Now step is 2 is to book appointment. Okay, through this website. You want to open it? I'll open it. Okay. So what you need to do, first you need to book an appointment, and then you have to pay the fee. And then you have to go to that appointment along with the documents that they have specified. When it comes to pay the fee, that is what I said, that it has to be based on your location. See, the fee is 51 USD and they will convert it. And this is the conversion for July. And they should pay the exact amount, and this is where they have to transfer. This they can go to this, you can go to the bank branch and do it yourself, or you can even do electronic transfer. India is very like advanced in electronic payment transfer. Okay. So here we are, and this is available in multiple languages, so don't worry. Not provide the accurate information. Tell us whether you apply at your document in Mexico or consular office of abroad. So if you're applying from Delhi, you will do this. Okay. So you need to create an account first. So I'll log in and show you. Like if you have not created, you're gonna create here. Okay. And then you can do it. So I have already done. So I'm gonna log in. So now we are here after login. So if you want to I have no appointment. That's why again I'm not gonna book an appointment. Click on schedule. Okay. Okay, you have to select this first. And consular. Yes. New Delhi. It's no office found. If I select Mumbai. Okay, because it's down perhaps, but you need to do from here. Okay. And because it's not scheduling now, but like it's down now, but this is how it goes. And then you have the process here. Okay. and then from there you can go through it. So that's how it works, guys, and I hope you're gonna like this video. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Okay, wait. I should not be ending this video now because I have not shown you the application form. Just bear with me. I'll be showing you soon. Form that has been downloaded. These are official use, so don't worry. This is pre-populated photo here, and you have got a guide also, which is very clear. Like even without guide, it's pretty clear. Okay. And then you have to sign date, name. It's very simple. Length of stay, previous stay, your status, phone number, very basic details they have asked for. And then you can go. And it's temporary residence, right? So that you have to select over there. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Information and purpose of the trip. Yeah, perfect. That's how it is.